True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Big up on yourself anywhere you watch from, yard or abroad, and big up on yourself. So no know say, all I do is tour Jamaica, show some beautiful places in Jamaica. So when I'm not driving, and also giving you some things that you can do in Jamaica. So today guys, you don't know, come back after the driving tour. Yeah, you don't know, I'm gonna roast some breadfruit and also look some sweet sap and mangoes. So welcome to the country life in Jamaica. One love and one heart. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, this some call it sweet sap, you know. Yeah man, so the one I can pick and put on like a couple days. Yeah man, I tell us the country life sweet, my people. Nothing like walking in the country, looking some different types of fruits. So this one is a bit young at the moment, so we can't really pick that one as yet. So guys, you all can leave in the comment section and tell me where you like to go. So I will see how much I can do that journey for you all guys. Yeah man, I don't know, Jamaica sweet. Love my country, you know. So big up on yourself. Yeah man, I don't know. Breadfruit. You know pick some breadfruit. Have them same way, but you know them ripe up and thing, but you know what? Still not make them waste, you know, guy. I'm gonna roast them and enjoy them with some saltfish. Yeah, we know say a mango time in Jamaica. Yeah man, mango season. All heap of mango waste some people. See them here? Them call them the mango, them call them mango the green skin mango. I think some people call it the blacky mango also, you know. Yeah man, so this life we love in Jamaica, the country life. Everything in our country. Everything we can think about. Their country, you know. So yes, some people tell you the good thing about country. So in that country, every morning you can pick a coconut off your coconut tree in the backyard and wash off on the heart, you know. Yeah man. See it there? Yeah man, some fresh coconut. Yeah man, see it there? One for the road. So you do it in Jamaica, you know. Easy 1, 2. See them people. Yeah man, early morning with 1 squeeze of lemon. Good for high blood pressure, you know. What is about country life? Sweet, nice. So big up on our shram. Big up on yourself. You also don't really waste meat. Yeah man, we have some nice coconut meat. So normally, they always store it in the fridge. Yeah man, so enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. Bless up on yourself. So now, I'm gonna roast some breadfruit, you know. Yeah man, so we have some breadfruit here. Yeah man, some nice breadfruit. Them one here kinda ripe. Yeah man, but I roast it same way. Some roast ripe breadfruit guys. So normally you know you remove the stem from the breadfruit. Yeah man. See the guys. Remove the stem. Yeah man, so that one is ripe. So keep on watching, guys. So you don't know when I make up the fire. Yeah man, I set up the fire and everything. Make sure the machine sharp, you know. Yeah man, set up the fire nice and neat. Some real country life, you know. Yeah man, so see them here the art of catching the fire. Yeah man. So yes guys, who remember them days when them used to catch fire with plastic and stuff, you know? So yes guys, in the meantime, yeah man, so I cut the breadfruit around. Cut the X. Yeah man, and push it right through the heart of the breadfruit. You have to be careful on the finger, you know. Yeah man, so they can soak properly. So you have to be very careful. Yeah man, so them two here kinda ripe still. So we don't have to bore them two here, them kinda ripe. Them sweet, you know, them some real yellow heart breadfruit them, you know. Them sweet. So in the meantime guys, yeah man, the fire not really ready yet. So in the meantime, we don't know we have one pumpkin here. See when we come off the farm, we can check it. Yeah man, see the color of the pumpkin. Very pretty. Yeah man, them so them can boil some rich pumpkin soup or pumpkin drinks, you know. Yeah man, really hard man style, you see it? Everything come off of the farm. So here's some paper. Yeah man, the fire ready now. You mean? Yeah man, breadfruit on the fire side. True Jamaican Vibes with the tour guide. Country life sweet. Yeah man. I really want how much fire I need them still now because them ripe and stuff, so them easily roast. Yeah man, some real yellow heart breadfruit them and people. Yeah man, so them start get some color. We turn them and make them soak. Because them ripe, they don't need much fire and stuff underneath it, you know. Yeah man, so nothing cannot beat the country life. Jamaica always nice. Just go in the backyard, go up on the farm and get something and just match it up 1, 2. Yeah man, so this is the rabbit mango here. So the breadfruit in my roast in the meantime. Have a rabbit mango. Yeah man, make sure wash it off and thing. Tell us a country life sweet, you know. Yeah man, this is them call the rabbit mango. Yeah man, you can find them at St. Elizabeth, the countryside, you know. Big up on yourself. So anyone I watch from, just leave a comment and also leave a like. Yeah man, and tell me where you want me to go. Next parish. Big up on yourself, you know. So I'm making breadfruit them go and roast. So I'm giving an update on the breadfruit very soon. Yeah man, give them a little turn here now. Easy 1-2 turn, just stick a knife in it. And spin it round. Yeah man, just turn it how you want it. Yeah. So we like the country life, you know. You really need too much fire upon them one here because you see it start get damaged already. So here's some people. Yeah man, so them kind of finish now. Just gonna leave them soak a bit. So yeah man, so thank you all for watching the channel. Yeah man, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, see it there. Yeah man, you see it. When I ripe, yeah man, when I fry this here, I tell them people with some saltfish or some ackee. Real Jamaican style, you know. So big up on yourself again. Yeah man, a Fire Reid. So you can look up some new content very soon with some different areas. One love, one heart, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.